Hey, Baba bless my family, bless my enemies, bless everybody. Together we be smiling.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing a wonderful and happy holidays. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving and you're gonna have a happy Merry Christmas and a happy Merry New Year, right? So today we're going to talk about a little bit of lifestyle things that I've been enjoying, as well as a lot of candles. I'll let you know what I think about it. A lot of them are trending, of course, or were trending, and they can also make good gifts as always. So we'll talk about everything you saw in the thumbnail. So if you're interested, we're talking about candles, lifestyle things, and some shameless plugs that I'll be adding to the video as well. So if you're interested, without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. Voilà, salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien et aujourd'hui on parle des achats que j'ai fait pour maison. J'essaie un peu de changer le thème des vidéos et pour un peu avoir de variété comme j'ai dit dorénavant. Donc je vais vous montrer ce que j'ai acheté, les bougies que j'aime, quelques nouveautés de tendance et qui sont à la mode, comme une offre pour les cadeaux pendant les fêtes. Ces produits que je vais vous présenter peuvent aussi faire des beaux cadeaux, hein? On ne sait jamais. Et comme d'hab, tous les liens pour achat sous la barre d'infos et on y va. Merci de rester à l'écoute. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna start with candles, okay, and I'm gonna go through them quickly. Some of them I got from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods, and the other is Target. So let's get to it. So the first one, and guys, y'all know my scents, okay? I've talked about them. A very nice, clean, fresh, sweet, a little bit of warm. I don't like woody, dark, those type of scents is not me. However, I do like a mix, okay, of like a warm scent, woody scent with sweet, warm, sweet, fresh, you know, refreshing type of scent, especially towards the winter and fall. Like you can calm it down a little bit, don't be too sweet, you know. A little bit sweet and naughty, right? So let's just get into it, just to give you a brief idea. So I got this one called I Want Coffee, just because everybody's talking about it and I like coffee. I'm not a avid coffee drinker, but I do like it, okay? And I love the smell. I told you guys before, I love cakes, baking. I love the smell of baking and candles and coffee in the home. So this was an interesting one. It's I think it says it has roasted coffee, hazelnut cream, and caramel. And like I said, you just go online and you can order this. It's not in store that I've seen, so and I think it was like on sale. Of course, I always buy it on sale, so wait for the sale. They're always out of stock, so this is an interesting one, especially for the packaging. And it smells, you know, like those notes that I just mentioned. This one, another one from Target, is the I think this is the in-house brand, and they have zodiac sign ones, and obviously I just had this because of the zodiac sign. But this is a very like fresh, clean scent, very calm, nothing crazy. I think everyone will like it. It's leafy greens and cardamom, and so if you're interested in that, you can get it. I've already burned this one. Nothing innovative here. It's not going to be like a wow factor. It's just like you're burning just for the idea of burning. Really, it wasn't too strong. Very neutral, basic type of you know, aura in the house. So this is, I really got it because I'm a Libra, so yeah. Again, sticking with Target, these are not my type of scent, but I like the aesthetics. It's trending and it was like $10, so I was like, why not? This is the coconut campfire one with toasted marshmallow and ambers. Very nice, interesting scent, and it's like, it's not something I would go for, but it's good to try because it's a mix of warm and sweet, and I love that, okay? So definitely try this out, and the aesthetics is just gorgeous, okay? And it's a lot. 3-wick candle, it lasts for days, honey, okay? This will last you forever. Next candle that I really like is Target again, and this one is the maple glazed donut. Again, 3-wick, very large, interesting smells, you know, maple glazed donut, you know what it smells like. Nice for the winter, nice to try something different, you know. So there you go, I also like that. Another candle from Target that I forgot to mention is the cashmere plum one. It's a soy wax blend, as I mentioned. These are very clean burns, especially when you shut it off. So, and it burns slowly, so you get more for your money. Another good one, guys, from Target, so definitely try them out. Again, this is more, it's a soft type of scent, nothing crazy going on here. It's more for the aura and the aesthetic, so definitely try that out. Next, I didn't even know Ulta had nice candles. They had a sale. I think they were like $10, and I used coupons, and wow, I'm really interested in their brand. And this one is Citrus Rose, okay, and this one is Crystal Alloy, and these smell so good, y'all. Like, oh yes, fresh, clean, sweet, love that. Calming, oh, love that. And the Citrus Rose, oh, love these as well. So you guys, if you're looking for candles, honey, Target, I mean Ulta also has it. I forgot I had Ulta here. Yes, honey. Okay. And then quickly, Marshall's T-shirt Home Goods. I like the brand Sand and Fog. This one particularly is teak wood, and I also noticed that soy wax blends are really good and long lasting. They burn easier, they burn slower. When you set out the fire, it doesn't have a lot of smoke as well, so definitely go for that. And also you can buy the wig trimmer. I haven't gotten around to buying one because they're so expensive, but that also help with that, that flame and burning fume you get when you turn them off. And this is good. This is teak wood, as I said. I like this brand. I buy a lot of their candles as well, so definitely try these out. So you never know, you might like this brand as well. Yeah, I have a lot. I bought like so many different scents from this brand, and I've liked a lot of them. Just find what works for you. This is a good brand. Last brand I've really been loving is actually DW Home, particularly Lava. I've burned like so many of these, I can't even imagine. I can't count. And this one that I actually also like is the Lava Sweet and Tropical and Fruity. I told you guys what I like. Both of these, and then the aesthetics of the packaging, guys, it's just, I have so many of them and I burn through them all the time. I do find them on sale as well. I buy the big size or the small size, it don't matter, guys. They're just right up my alley. I burned so many of them. DW Home is it. They do have different scents, and these happen to be the ones that I fall in love with the most. So yeah, continuing with some home aesthetics things, I actually got a room spray from them, and this one is the coconut and honey one. Didn't think I would like this, y'all. Really like this. It's really good, guys. That's all I gotta say. Try it out. They have different scents. You can find what you like, but the coconut and honey, the bloggers that I follow were raving about it. I like it, guys. It's like almost done, okay? That's how much I like this, and I've only had this for like 2 months at best. So you already know, you can use it for the bathroom, you can use it for the bedroom, you can refresh your closet, whatever. It's not irritating, it's amazing, and it doesn't leave like, sometimes when you spray the Febreze stuff, Febreze is like, you have water everywhere. It's so annoying, but this is just like misting in the air, and it's just really nice. So there you go. Something I got that I really like also is the new Downy Light White Lavender scent booster, y'all. I didn't think it was a thing. I couldn't find it, only at Target. I mean, I couldn't find it at CVS, y'all. This right here, I used it today. It's just dope fresh. It's dope fresh. So just get into it. You will love this. Smells so good. Very relaxing, very relaxing and calming. And who doesn't like to smell good? And the aesthetics again, white lavender. I'm just used to lavender being this purple color, but like white lavender is like another level. Yeah, so yeah, guys, so just try the Downy, like, yeah, something new. Okay, sticking with laundry, I got this laundry bag. I just thought it was just cute. I think it was like $7. Again, Target be having some nice things for cheap, like that. They're like cheap, affordable line. It's so amazing, like room essentials and things like that. They're just so amazing. And this was like $7. I like it because you can use it as a backpack. You have a strap there, and you can put things here in the front. There's pockets inside. It's pretty big, and I don't have a big space here to show you guys. If I can do an insert, I will, but this right here, try it out. Very helpful. If you're traveling, it's also good. Yeah, I'm gonna go in Influenster. Y'all already know. They sent me this. I just want to show you guys. It's the new cheese crispers by Ritz. You already know Ritz is the underdog. We used to have the little round ones when we used to go to school, and of course my daughter and I, we had fun. They sent us 2 packs, and we just sat there and just had some cheese crispers, and it's cheddar flavor. So really like that. Enjoy this. If you guys are looking for something new to try for the holidays, you got it, honey. And of course, you already know I always get my card here, and no, I just do whatever they ask me to do here, and that's about it. So if you want to get on the influencer and getting free goodies, it's comprehensive. You get food, you get home things, you get different things. So definitely try it out. That's that. Another shameless plug is the Resoftables brand. They sent me this, and my daughter of course enjoys it when she gets free toys. And it's just a teddy bear that they sent. This could be a good gift too for a kid, for anyone. Pretty much why I like this brand is because they recycle. So they say here every year the world produces over 275 million tons of plastic waste. That's the same weight as 55 million elephants, y'all. Now more than ever, it's important to recycle plastics and use recycled plastics where possible. Resoftables are super soft toys made entirely from recycled plastic bottles. So that's why I want to talk to you guys about this. Like, it's something good you should know. These are the different type of animals that they come with. They sent my daughter the, what's his name? I forgot what his name was. Oh, I think they sent my Sammy Sloth. Okay, that's his name. I think it's Sammy Sloth. That's who they sent her, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. But they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ones. You know, for you guys who are about the environment, recycling, this is amazing. Okay. Yes, so as I was telling you guys, the Resoftable teddy bears, this is Sammy Sloth. I believe he's so cute and he's so tiny. So again, if you wanted to gift your little one, and you know, with all those incentives behind it as well, this will be great, wouldn't it? So yeah, you guys don't mind me, I'm just like being silly. Last but not least, the plug-in wax warmer is amazing. My Opal House, like I said, and it's always out of stock. They had different ones with plugging and batteries. I didn't want to deal with that. I didn't want, like, you know, cords everywhere. So this was the best one that I found at Target. Again, get your own, and I'll just show you an insert of how it looks like while it's plugged, and that's about it. All right, y'all, so that is the plug-in wax warmer. Like I told you guys, it's actually very hot, so I'm risking my life for y'all right now, so pray for me. But you like that, I like that look right there, y'all. Like my nails. But yeah, that's that, and that's just the top right there, and then you open it, and then the wax smell is right there. And it's so economical because that can burn for like days and even a month, I think. So yeah, that's just how that looks like. It's so cute, guys, and it matches everything. Isn't that cute? I got also the melts that I got are eucalyptus, which I love the cozy cashmere. Love the I haven't tried the Downy one, but you guys know I like Downy. I just showed you guys that. And I also like the lavender white tea here, and then the tangerine ginger. So I got the vanilla bourbon, which is like, I'm not a vanilla person, but I always say it's always good to have one because it mixes well with different scents, so you can mix it up. And this one has notes of brown sugar and caramel. Not too bad, not my favorite, but it's doable. And I also got the cedar patchouli. Not my favorite scent, but again, one that is always maxed as a mix. I think it's nice, but I like to get the 3-pack ones because you can try different ones, and they're only $2, so you know, you can't go wrong. For instance, I showed you guys this one. It's like a 3-pack set, so really like that. And I know this might be weird to add this in, but it's like a medication pill holder, but I like it because you know me, I like to be versatile and use something multi-purpose if I can. And this, of course, it was the rose gold aesthetics for me, and it was glitter shiny. So this is a Sephora thing. I got this from Marshalls actually for very cheap, and it was like $3.99. I think Sephora sells it for more, and I don't even know if they still have it. But like, it's so versatile. Like, it can go in your purse for like any little secret things, your earrings, your jewelry, quickly, many things to travel with. Like, it's just so cute, guys. It's so discreet, and you can take a lot. And this is actually the medication case that came with it and things like that. It just says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it has one extra there. But I don't use it for my medication. As you can see here, I just use it for like my little pieces of jewelry so it doesn't get lost. And then my the back pieces for the earrings, I keep it there as well. So just something, you know, I thought I'd share with you if you guys wanted to buy it. They have it at Sephora still, and you can find it at the at Marshalls and TJ Maxx and things like that. So yeah, that's a shameless plug that you would like. and it can be a good gift too. So yeah, so that is all, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. That's how YouTube recommends my videos, and sharing and commenting, that's the only way for the video to be seen. If you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, that's okay. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned for what's coming up next. Thank you again. Don't forget to praise God. God bless. Mwah. Ciao guys, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.